Sarah runs a small online business. Every single day, she receives dozens of customer inquiries, orders, and payment confirmations in her Gmail inbox. To keep everything organized, she used to manually copy each customer's name, email address, subject line, and message into Google Sheets. It took her almost an hour every day. And because she was doing it manually, mistakes happened. Sometimes she forgot an important email, sometimes she entered the wrong information, and sometimes a potential customer waited way too long for a reply. Sarah knew there had to be an easier solution, but she had zero programming knowledge and had never created an automation before. Then she discovered this AI automation course. In her very first class, she successfully connected Gmail with Google Sheets. Now, whenever a new customer email arrives, that information is automatically added to her spreadsheet. No copying, no data entry mistakes, and no missed leads. Today, you are going to build exactly the same automation.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the first class of our AI automation course.
In this course, you will learn how to automate repetitive tasks using tools such as Zapier and N8N, even if you have no coding experience. In today's class, we will create a simple but extremely useful automation. Whenever a specific email arrives in Gmail, its details will automatically be saved as a new row in Google Sheets. We will use Zapier for this class. Let's get started.
Step 1. First of all, we open Google Sheets. Here we will create a Google Sheet using an AI prompt. And now we will name this Google Sheet Email Tracker. Now over here in the top right corner, there is an AI option. Click on it. If you cannot see this AI icon, I will provide the method to turn it on in the video description. After this, we will paste a short prompt here. This prompt is also in the video description, or you can also make this sheet manually. Now when we paste this prompt here, our sheet will be ready in a little while. Step 2. Now you search on Google for Zapier, click on the first link that appears or use the video description for a direct link. As soon as you log in with Google, a few basic questions will be asked of you. While answering them, you hit next and now Zapier's main homepage will open. Step 3. Now from the home screen, select Zap Workflow and click the Create button. As soon as you click the Create button, many apps will be displayed here. First, we need to select Gmail. Once you select Gmail, the Gmail icon will appear. By default, you will need to connect your Gmail account. After that, we will select New Email from the Trigger Events. Your account must be connected here. Once that is done, we will click Continue. Next, we will select the label or mailbox. This means choosing which folder in your Gmail you want to monitor, so that when a new email arrives, it automatically saves to Google Sheets. I am selecting Inbox here. After that, click on Test and then click Continue with selected record. Now we need to select the second app, so I am choosing Google Sheets. Once again, connect your Google Sheets from the Apps section. In the Event drop-down, select Create Spreadsheet Row, then click Continue. Now under Drive, select My Google Drive. Here we will select the spreadsheet we created last time. Since there is only one worksheet, select worksheet 1. Our sheet has 3 rows, so we will enter 3, click Continue and then click Publish. After completing this process, go to the home page, click on Zaps from the Assets menu and you will see the recent Zap we just created. Click on it. Now we will send a new email to our inbox. Come back to Zapier and click Run Test. The email will automatically save to Google Sheets. In this way, you can create any trigger according to your needs to automate your workflow. Aside from this, if there is anything you didn't understand, please leave a comment and I will reply. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the next video. Thank you for watching the video until the end.